In this video, we're going to get rid of this date that's happening on the right top corner for the event thumbnails. So I don't know about you, but sometimes this date is informative, but sometimes it gets in the way, especially if you have a graphic like this. As you can see, there's a picture right there, but it's being covered by the date. And this is a default feature that happens on the Squarespace website, and I want to get rid of it. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So first you got to go into the back end of Squarespace, go to Pages, go to the bottom and it says Website Tools. Go to Custom CSS. Now I want you to type in this code and I'm going to put it in the description for you to copy. So I'm just going to put it in here and that's it. This is the code. As you can see, it is removed. I'm just going to show you real quick again. Let me just erase it. As you can see, it came back. Now watch closely. I'm going to put it in and now it has disappeared. So of course, make sure to save this. And now you have finally removed the date on the right top corner.